Mr. Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to get dark mode on TikTok. So first let's open up TikTok here, and you first want to press your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once your profile's open, you should see this little hamburger menu here in the top right hand corner. These three little lines. Press that. This little menu will pop up, and you want to select Settings and Privacy from it. So once you're in the Settings and Privacy, you want to come down within the Content and Display and find Display here towards the bottom of it. Press that, and here you should see Light or Dark at the very top. And so if you want dark mode, you can press it like that. However, if you want to use, if you're on an Android or iPhone and that has an item what goes from dark to light or light to dark, and use the devices settings, you can tap that on. So if your device is set to light and it gradually turns to dark, it will do that with the device for you, and you don't have to just be permanent on dark mode like that. It's entirely up to you how you want to go about it. So hopefully that helps you out how to get dark mode on TikTok, whether that's permanent or using your device settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.